Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be me. Look at all these beautiful shades.
Welcome back to my channel, Beautiful Lifestyle. Friends, in today's video, I'll be showing you steps to achieve flawless base for this festive season. During festivals, it's very important to get a good long-lasting base as it will act as a foundation for all your complete looks, right? And it also has to last throughout the day. So with Maybelline Fit Me regime, I can easily achieve that. So if your base makeup is flawless, you can achieve any look from wedding to party to no makeup looks. Friends, just like how we prepare for festivals in advance, we have to prep our skin as well with good skincare so that everything falls into place, right? So we start off with a primer to ensure that I get a smooth base for my makeup. For that, I'm going to use Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. A primer actually helps to create a smooth and even base for any makeup, and it is a must-have product in your makeup bag. I'm using the Dewy Plus Smooth variant as my skin is dry, okay? But you also have one more variant for oily skin. This primer now, friends, helps to create a barrier between my skin and makeup and also ensures that my foundation lasts longer and looks smooth. It also minimizes the appearance of pores and gives flawless, dewy finish to my skin, ensuring my base stays up to 16 hours. Next, I will use foundation, and you can never go wrong with the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It comes in 18 shades to fit all the Indian skin tones. Finding your right match won't be a task this festive season. It gives 16-hour oil control and also has SPF 22 in it. So you don't need to worry about your base moving at all. It's non-comedogenic too. I always start from the center of my face and then move to my cheekbones. This foundation blends nicely with Beauty Blender as well as the foundation brush. So what I do is I apply a very little quantity and then use a brush on it and then set it with my Beauty Blender, blending it outwards. A small tip from my side, use the tiniest amount first as it's high coverage foundation and keep adding more if you need.
Fit me. Yeah. Ain't no one gonna be like me. Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be me. Look at all these beautiful shades.
Moving on, we will add some concealer. And for that, I have Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. Base makeup without concealer feels so incomplete. I always use a shade lighter to my skin tone. It works best for me. I use it to lift my face and hide the dark circles. A hack I swear by lately is just spraying some setting spray on the brush and using that to blend my concealer in. This ensures concealer doesn't crease and stays for a longer period of time.
Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome. Alright.
Time to set it up with a powder. For that, I will be using the Fit Me Pressed Powder. I love the packaging of this product. It comes with a built-in mirror as well. I apply this to areas under my eyes, T-zone, to mattify and reduce the look of pores.
Ain't no one gonna be like me. Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna be like me.
Now friends, let's add in some colors to the cheeks. I will use the Fit Me blush in the shade Hopeful. A pretty lovely shade, must say. It will suit all the Indian skin tones, especially in this festive season. It works as a blush and a highlighter both.
Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be me. Look at all these beautiful shades.
Products stay put throughout the day. I will lock this in with the Fit Me setting spray. It makes the makeup transfer proof and it also has 24-hour oil control formula in it. It gives instant shine free matte look to my face and it also doesn't clog my pores. This is how my base looks. It's all done perfectly. Now I'll just quickly touch up my eyes and lips and show you the final look.
Fit me. Yeah. Ain't no one gonna be like me. Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Ain't no one gonna be like me. Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna.
So this whole Fit Me range has got me all covered up this festive season. But if I had to pick any one from it that everyone should try, it is hands down the foundation. I love this foundation so much, friends. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 125. It absolutely suits my skin tone. It actually exactly matches to my skin. So I love this foundation so much. I have emptied many bottles of it. So I will highly recommend this product to you to check it out. Check out the description box for all the links and other details. I hope this tutorial was helpful to achieve perfect flawless base for any makeup look. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like and share this video. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel before leaving. I'll see you super soon in my next interesting video just like this one. Until then, you take care of yourself and always keep smiling.